Hello, my name is Rais, and today we are going to watch a couple of examples on how to solve differentiation, differentiate, differentiation and integration on inverse trigonometry function. Let's get it. Okay, question number 1. Differentiate using product rule and chain rule. The function is x times tangent inverse x and squared. First thing we want to do is apply product rule. Product rule is u times v prime, which is differentiation of v, and v u prime, which is the differentiation of u. And then we choose u equal to x. Differentiate it, we get 1. V is inverse tan x. Differentiate it, we use chain rule because it's complicated. Okay, chain rule is like this. We differentiate v first, which is this one, and then square. V squared, differentiate, we get v squared, we get 2v. After that, we have to differentiate inside the v, which is the inverse tan x. After we've done differentiate the inverse tan x, which is it's not that hard because the inverse tan x is already in the trigonometry table for differentiation, which is right here. Inverse my bad, integrate 1 over 1 plus x squared dx equals to inverse tan x, which is what we got here. And then we put it in the previous one, and then we substitute v equals to inverse tan x. Then we've got what we need. We just use the product rule. U equals to x, and then v prime equals to 2 inverse tan x times 1 over 1 plus x squared, and then plus v, which is inverse tan x squared, by the way, and then times 1, which is the u differentiation. And then we simplify it, and then you got the answer. Next question. We got this bad boy over here, which is okay, the question is integrate and find the inverse function. The function is secant squared x over 36 minus tan squared x, and then square root that, and that is the question. The solution to this question is not that hard. Okay, first off, we have to simplify it. Tangent squared x equals to, if we look at the table, it equals to 1 minus tan x over 6, then squared. Simplify it, we get this. And then we use the substitution, u substitution. We choose u, which is the tangent x divided by 6, and then du equals to secant squared divided by 6 dx. We find the dx, and then we substitute in the question. After you've done substitute, you will get this 1 over 6 integrate secant squared x over 1 minus u squared square root, and then times 6 over secant squared x du. Simplify it, cross out the secant squared x, and then the 6. Okay, so we have this 1 minus u squared and then square root. How do we eliminate the square root? Well, it's easy. Just add square to the 1. 1 squared equals 1. And then cross out the square root. Easy enough. And then we get this beautiful thing. And then you look at the table and you're like, hey, wait. We can change that into inverse sine u. Well, we do that. Inverse sine u. Plus c, don't forget plus c, because this is the indefinite integral. Okay. And then u, we substitute it back to what it is before. Then we get the answer, which is inverse sine tan x divided by 6 plus c. Thanks. Bye bye.